The Google algorithm update of December and January has caused a stir in the SEO world. This update has had a particularly negative effect on public-facing networks, PFNs, and their associated link building strategies. PFNs are websites that can be used to generate backlinks, but have been devalued or even turned toxic due to the recent algorithm update. Moreover, sites that have excessively used Haro for backlinks have also been hit by this update, making them no longer viable sources of SEO value. Furthermore, Google's machine learning style algorithms were able to reverse engineer these sites with just a 5-link order and resolve up to 56% of them. This means that any website using Haro as part of their backlink strategy is now at risk of being caught out in future updates by Google. Guest posts without any internal or external backlinks, as well as social signals, will likely suffer an impact too as part of this recent update from Google. Those websites abusing Haro now experience decreased traffic levels because they were linked together with dozens of other pages from different niches, causing serious value issues and making it easier for machine learning. This style algorithms to detect them automatically in future updates by Google. It is unlikely that Google would turn their links toxic presently, but may significantly decrease their importance and relevance in terms of search engine optimization, SEO, strategies moving forward. SEOs must be mindful that abusing these tactics going ahead might result in damaging effects on rankings if further updates penalize them severely down the line. So, it's important to ensure your SEO strategy remains up to date with the latest trends and changes from major search engines like Google. Google recently acted against link abuse with its SEO update, which was released in December and January. This algorithm update targets websites that use link building to manipulate their search engine optimization, SEO. Websites localized to other countries, such as truck accident lawyers in Australia, have not been affected by this update. It is likely that this update is the result of engineers reverse engineering, rather than an algorithm specifically targeting sites. Authority publications and high-level editorials are likely to be the main beneficiaries of this update, as they require a significant amount of capital investment for links. PR companies have recognized how much cheaper it can be to purchase these types of links from SEO link builders instead of within their industry. Overall, Google's SEO update has sent shockwaves through the SEO community and will almost certainly cause long-term changes in search engine optimization practices across all industries. It remains to be seen what will happen in the coming months, but it is clear that Google is taking steps towards eliminating abusive link building practices and rewarding those who adhere to SEO best practices with higher rankings within their search engine results pages, SERPs.